Hey guys, welcome back to Never Homestead. My name's Raul, and today I need to winterize my beehive. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this bottom, the foundation or the base that it's on. This one has a tray in the back so that I can catch any hive beetles or not hive beetles, but varroa mites and things like that that the bees drop. But it does mean that there's more space for that the bees need to keep warm and things like that. Also, I want to put an entrance reducer on just to again just to help the bees keep the hive warm. If I have time, I'm going to try to do a bit of an inspection as well, and then also if I can, depending on how the bees are feeling, I want to put some tanglefoot along here to prevent ants and things from crawling up and getting into the beehive. I have noticed some ants, not a lot, but there have been some ants in the hive, and I just want to help prevent that if I can. So let's get in. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lids off just so that it's less heavy, and I'm going to take the box, the brood box over here, and I'm going to put it onto these two pieces of wood here so that there's still space under the hive for the bees. Then I'm going to take this foundation here and I'm going to put it down there, take that one away, and then I'm going to put the box back on. Now, once I've moved the top box, once I've moved the brood box across to here, if they don't seem to be terribly upset, then I'm going to try to get in there and put the tanglefoot on there. It's this tree tanglefoot. This is a natural substance. I'm trying to remember what it's made of. It's basically a sticky compound, and it stops them from stops ants and stuff from coming up. It's actually, if you can see there, it's OMRI listed, which means it's good for organic use. That's really heavy. The bees don't seem to be terribly unhappy, mostly probably because I just moved the whole hive like that. Also because it's winter, well, it's autumn. have my pollen patty, and I am going to take a look, open this up and take a look, see. Alright, this is honey. I wonder if they are, yeah, they're busy building up comb over there. So you can see all of them. There's one with a whole bunch of pollen on it. Can you see? Beautiful stuff. Okay, so they're busy building up this comb here by the looks of things. On this side you can see they've got a bunch of honey in there. It's all sealed. When it's sealed, you know it's honey. Before it's sealed, it's just nectar, because they store all the nectar in there, and then they work on it. They dehydrate it. So yeah, that's good. That's good. That's looking good. Oh, put the pollen patty on. You can just lay it on top of them like that. They don't mind. Well guys, that's it for today. I'm not entirely happy just because I didn't see any eggs and I didn't see the queen. I didn't spend a huge amount of time looking for the queen. I could have, but the bees have been, they're a little bit upset right now, rightly so. So I'm gonna leave them. I'm gonna come back next week and check again. There are a lot of bees in there. There is some capped brood. I just need to go and look up and see if the queen actually lays in winter, and that'll let me know if there's a problem or what's going on. So, but until next time, guys, I hope you have a good one. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, where you can see more videos about bees, about homesteading, and about life in the southeast Arizona, sorry. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.